Imagine a realm where the seasons' rhythms rule, where centuries of agriculture and fishing have reshaped the land, yet where people and nature remain in harmony. Sangoro Tanaka lives in just such a paradise. At 83, he's a guardian of one of Japan's secret water gardens. Over 1,000 years, towns and villages have developed a unique system to make springs and water part of their homes. From inside their houses, the stream pours into Japan's largest freshwater lake, near the ancient capital of Kyoto. This is a habitat so precious, the Japanese have a special word for it: Satoyama, villages where mountains give way to plains. They are exceptional environments, essential to both the people who maintain them and to the wildlife that now share them. Late February at Lake Biwa, an area 5 times the size of Paris. Its year has 4 distinct seasons. Reeds, desiccated by winter winds, feel the heat of spring. They are all that remain. The rest have gone to make roofs or screens. Flames consume both pest and weed. The ash will prove a powerful fertilizer. Destruction creates the very conditions in which a wide range of species will eventually flourish. By April, new shoots sprout. The fire and smoke have provoked new growth. Spring puts on its new coat. Meltwater cascades from the mountains, swelling the lake till it brims over. Parched earth soaks into wetland. Sudden sounds split the still of the day. A chain of male carp dance after a female. Some are longer than a man's arm, but she's bigger still, heavy with eggs. She releases her eggs, up to 200,000 of them, and the males race to fertilize them. For the rest of the year, these carp inhabit the chill depths of the lake. But to spawn, they must seek warm shallows. Spring's rising energy is released. Over 200 carp crowd here today. The conditions created by the firing of the marsh offer an ideal site for breeding. There are only only a few days a year, when so many fish throng here. Sangoro the fisherman won't miss his chance. His methods, his 20-year-old boat, his bamboo pole, all are tried and tested. It takes years to really master the art of punting. The river courses with fresh mountain torrents, but here and there natural springs well up from the bottom. The marsh is a maze, but to Sangoro it's as familiar as his garden. He has some 50 traps set in various corners. The carp are Lake Biwa's spring gift. Sangoro only fishes from March to June, when the shoals retreat to the lake. He uses a simple snare of traditional materials. There's not even any bait. He just sinks a trap for the fish to swim into. Where he places it depends on the weather and where he thinks the fish will swim that day. Intuition springs from long experience. His haul includes other fish as well as carp, as they all flock to spawn in the shallows. This trap is full of carp called crucians. With a single trap, he may net a dozen fish to take home. As soon as Sangoro returns, he prepares the fish for the table.